Hello and welcome to a review on the candy machine that I just received. I had it installed. Great guys. I got this one from Argus. It took me about a week to choose a washing machine. I didn't know which one to go for. I opted for this one. It comes with this little sheet of all the wash cycles, so you can stick that on the machine. And I've just done a quick rinse of the drum. It's got 4 minutes to go. I love the big timer. This machine takes up to 8 kilos of clothes. It's very quiet. It's a really quiet machine. As I said, it takes 8 kilos, so it's quite ample for a family. I love the dial as well. It's a nice easy dial. And all the wash cycles down here as well. Quite a few wash cycles, so I'm really impressed with that. Definitely the hand wash. Smart wash, I'm going to find out what that is. 3 minutes to go. Even on a spin that is really quite vigorous, it's really quiet. It's a really quiet machine. So this one's from Argus, and they don't tend to have candy in, the guy said. It's quite rare for them to have a candy machine in. Yeah, I love it. I love it at the moment. I will do a part 2, as I said, with washing. So this is just the initial drum clean. 2 minutes to go.